Open a downloaded film or movie. Download Subtitle. Select the language and download it. It should appear here. If not, from the menu bar, press play, subtitle and truck, enable, and it should be seen at the center bottom of the screen. Now we are going to find the S or T file. Type in the search bar, *S or T. We will find the file here. Copy the file to a new folder. Open the browser to online.translator.com and then upload the file selected. Specify the language of the S or T file, which is English in our case, and the language you want to translate to it, Arabic example. Press Translate. Wait for a moment. And then download your translated document. Give it a name, example or underscore translator. Save now. Return to MPC. Press Files, Subtitles, Load Subtitles, and from Desktop we'll find a folder named S or T in which we select the recent translated file. Finally, your transcription is ready to be applied to the film. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.
You're getting better. Practice your lures and your knots every day. Don't get lazy and and use the power instead.
How will you get the catching by yourself?
I'll manage.
But without the boat and the house?